Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to introduce our guest of honor, Mr. Naim Yunus Chima. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. He is the patron-in-chief of Angel School System. He is the elder brother of our chairman, Sir Salim Yunus Chima. He is facilitating all the financial matters of the respective school. He is playing the key roles of leading effective governance by giving a clear lead and direction, ensuring that the whole Angel family work as an effective team and understand their accountability and the part they play.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. Muhammad Asif Bajwa Advocate, who is the ex-member of Provincial Assembly Punjab. He is a great political and social worker as well as a great businessman. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Muhammad Asif Bajwa.
Dear audience, welcoming our guests has always been a great tradition of every civilized society. Welcoming guests wholeheartedly renders great services of hospitality. So we welcome you all, especially our distinguished guests who took some time out of their busy schedules for us to attend this beautiful ceremony.
Dear audience, I assure you all that today's event is going to be full of joy, fun, recreation, and excitement. It will create beautiful memories for all of us, as it is rightly said that days are not lost when memories are created.
So without further delay, let's cheer our shining stars of angels from main campus on stage for a wonderful welcome performance. Please put your hands together for them.
it tonight. I'll call you what you like. We'll make it such a night to remember all our lives. I'll really blow your mind. Oh boy, make your mind up. We're running out of time.
Welcome, everybody come, welcome, welcome. Everybody come, welcome, welcome. Everybody come, welcome, welcome. Everybody come, welcome.
Dear audience, awards are a way to encourage good behavior and inculcates competitive spirit in students. This is the reason Angel School System organizes award ceremony every year to encourage its brilliant students.
Dear parents, our prestigious institute, Angel School System, has always provided its students a healthy and a fairly competitive environment to help them grow in every sphere of activity, be it academic or extracurricular.
Because Angel School System believes that good education plays a crucial role in building a bright future for your innocent children. It also helps students to imbibe good moral values and guides them how they can realize their true potential and get ready to face the real world.
For that, I request our worthy and distinguished chairman, Sir Salim Yunus Chima, to please come on stage. Please put your hands together for our worthy chairman.
I also request our acclaimed chief guest, Brigadier Dr. Adnan Salim, to please come on stage and hand out awards to our remarkable students. For first position from Montessori Red, I welcome Muhammad Shahid. Please give him a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, please cheer him up with a huge round of applause. Next, I invite Ghulam Dastagir Gujjar, who also secured first position. Please put your hands together for Ghulam Dastagir Gujjar.
I invite Muhammad Yusuf, who also got first position. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Yusuf.
किसी से कम नहीं इसका हमको है यकीन मुश्किल खुद पे
Next, I invite Muhammad Razamir, who won second position. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Razamir.
ज़माना जब तक रहेगा जवान
Now I invite Muhammad Sultan Tanveer, who also got second position. Please cheer him up with a huge round of applause.
जोश तेरी पहचान
Next, I invite Muhammad Dawood Bhatt, who also secured second position. Please cheer him up.
Next, I invite Muhammad Hussain, who also got second position. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Hussain.
Next, I invite Muhammad Ahmed, who also secured second position. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Ahmed.
Now I invite Muhammad Umar Farooq, who got third position. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Umar Farooq.
Worthy parents, as you are watching that there are so much enthusiasm in our winning star. So please keep rocking and please clapping for our winning spirits angels. From Monterey Blue, I invite Mariam, who secured first position.
इसका हमको है यकीन मुश्किल खुद पे रो पड़े अगर हम जाएं जम कहीं रश कब करेगा सारा ज़माना जब तक रहेगा जवान
Next, I invite Haram Fatima, who also secured first position. Please put your hands together for Haram Fatima.
Next, I invite Abrish Malik, who also secured first position. Please clap for Abrish Malik.
Now I invite Noor Fatima, who secured first position. Please cheer for her.
Now I invite Dua Fatma, who got second position. Please put your hands together for Dua Fatma.
Next, I invite Abdul Aziz, who also got second position. Please clap for Abdul Aziz.
Next, I invite Jannat Salim, who secured second position. Please clap for Jannat Salim.
Now I invite Hansa Shabir, who also got second position. Please clap for her.
Now I invite Muhammad Ahmar for third position. Please put your hands together for Muhammad Ahmar.
Now I invite Muhammad Ibrahim, who also got first position in Montessori Blue. Please cheer for him.
उसका नाम तक बाकी नहीं है
invite Muhammad Ali Hamza, who also secured first position. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Muhammad Ali Hamza.
वो जिस बचपन में थोड़ा और जीना था, वो जिसने माँ तुम्हारा ख्वाब छीना था, मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना है।
Thank you, sir, for your assistance.
के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है।
Now please go take a photo with our students. Dear audience, this earth whereupon we live and breathe, the sky wherein we look at the countless twinkling stars, the sun that blazes and gives us light and energy, the moon that emits soothing lights, and numerous other beings that we can see and those that we cannot. They all tell us that there is an Almighty Allah who has created all things and who is running all the matters of the universe, who is the supreme being, the one and alone, none else like him. All purities and praises belong to him.
So in order to showcase that love and praise for Allah, students from Welfare Campus are going to present a spiritual performance, Dil Pukare La Ilaha, Zubaan Pukare La Ilaha.
दौलत इज्जत शोहरत पाकर भी न सुकून मिला, यूं ही रही बेचैनियां और करता रहा सबसे गिला। जब से किया है ला इलाह, मेरी जिंदगी को सुकून मिला। जब अंदर बाहर न एक हो तो इंसान कैसे नेक हो। तू ही मालिक, तू ही मालिक, तू ही राज़िक, तू ही राज़िक, तू ही मालिक, तू ही मालिक, तू ही राज़िक, तू ही राज़िक। फिर किससे मांगू मैं भला, जब तू ही मेरा है मौला। दुनिया के सारे ये इला, जब कर ना पाए फैसला तो दिल पुकारे ला इलाहा, जुबां पुकारे ला इलाहा, तो दिल पुकारे ला इलाहा, जुबां पुकारे ला इलाहा। अल्लाह गफ्फार है, सत्तार है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम है। गफ्फार है, सत्तार है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम है। बख्शेगा कौन गुनाहों को जब तू ही ना तव्वाब हो। मैं तेरे दर पे आया हूँ, अपनी खताएं लाया हूँ। कलमात को तेरे जान कर सर को झुकाने आया हूँ। अब दिल पुकारे ला इलाहा, जुबां पुकारे ला इलाहा। अब दिल पुकारे ला इलाहा, जुबां पुकारे ला इलाहा। अल्लाह कय्यूम है, तू आलिमुल गय्यूब है। तू हय्युल कय्यूम है, तू आलिमुल गय्यूब है। तेरा दौर है हर दौर में, हर दौर ही तेरा दौर है। जिसे मिल गया वो ही खुश नसीब, वरना एक लंबी दौड़ है। फिर जिंदगी फरार है और दिल भी बेकरार है। जब कर दिया है ला इलाहा तो फिर कैसा इनकार है। मेरे सब गम मिटा दे, मुझे अपना तो बना ले। तेरी राह पे ऐसा मैं चलूं, रास्ते से मैं ना फिर हटूं। दुनिया की सारी मुश्किलें आसान हो तेरे नाम से, सारे बंधन आसान हो बस एक तेरे कलाम से। अल्लाह अल्लाह
तू गफ्फार है, तू सत्तार है, तू करीम है, तू रहीम है, तेरी जात सबसे अजीम है, नहीं कोई तुझसा है दूसरा, तू हबीर है, तू अलीम है। ये लताफतें, ये इनायतें, ये तेरे करम की वजाहतें, जो चमन में है तो नसीम है, जो गुलों में है तो शमीम है।
Mashallah, it was indeed a heart-touching performance. May Allah grant us all the peace of mind and happiness. May He show us and lead us to the path of righteous people. May we adhere to His commandments so that He may forgive us and bestow His numerous bounties on us in this world and hereafter.
Dear audience, at school, our students take part in different curricular and co-curricular activities. A student's loyalty, devotion, and dedication makes him a winner in every field of life. Hence, awards are a way to recognize students' ability and efforts and also lift his self-confidence.
Now, it's time to acknowledge the talent of our phenomenal students and for giving away the prizes to the sweet angels from Montessori Junior, Yellow and Pink.
For that, I would like to invite our worthy and distinguished chairman, Sir Salim Yunus Chima, to please come on stage. I also request our most humbled, acclaimed, admirable Managing Director, Muhammad Raza Chaudhry, to please come on stage.
I also invite our admirable chief guest, Dr. Muhammad Asif Bajwa Chima, to come on stage.
From Montessori Yellow, Fatma Huram Shehzad secured second position. Please put your hands together for Fatma Huram Shehzad.
Now I invite Ifra Tayyab, who got third position. Please put your hands together for Ifra Tayyab.
Now I invite Ibrahim Usman, who got third position. Please clap for Ibrahim Usman.
Now I invite Ramin Tawheed, who got third position. Please put your hands together for Ramin Tawheed.
Now I invite Masuma Ali, who got third position. Please clap for Masuma Ali.
Ishal Ali got first position from Montessori Pink. Please clap for her. Parents, as you are watching that there is so much enthusiasm in our winning stars, so please keep clapping and enjoy the winning spirit of our angels.
Now I request Mirab Fatima Bilal, who secured first position. Please clap for Mirab Fatima Bilal.
invite Afnan Arsalan, who got first position. Please put your hands together for Afnan Arsalan.
Now I request Abrish Fatma, who got first position. Please clap for Abrish Fatma.
Now I invite Roha Rani, who also got first position. Please clap for Roha Rani.
Now I invite Zirwa Umar, who secured second position. Please clap for Zirwa Umar.
Now I invite Anaya Noor, who also got second position. Please put your hands together for Anaya Noor.
Now I invite Aisha Arshad, who secured second position. Please clap for Aisha Arshad.
Now I invite Lareb Annan, who got second position. Please clap for Lareb.
Now I invite Saleha Atiq, who secured third position. Please clap for Saleha Atiq.
Now I invite Iman Javed, who also got third position. Please clap for Iman Javed.
Please pose for a group photo.
Inflation is taxation without legislation. It is the greatest enemy of economic growth, a cancer of many countries such as Pakistan.
It has become a rising problem of present time that's scratching the people so rapidly. So I invite Asad Fahad from 5 Red to share his views on the topic inflation. Please clap for Asad Fahad.
The name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable Chairman, worthy guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Me, Asad Fahad, from class 5 Red. The topic which has given to me is the rise in inflation. चीजों की कीमतें छू रही हैं आसमां. चीजों की कीमतें छू रही हैं आसमां. लोग एक वक्त की रोटी के लिए हैं परेशान. So what is inflation? This is the most important factor of our society. Respected audience, inflation. Inflation is regular increase in prices of things, especially those things which are necessary for our daily life. Dear audience, poor people of society suffer due to inflation. It becomes difficult for them to manage their lives. Do you know, respected listeners, various factors contribute to the rise in prices. Some are natural factors like unfavorable weather conditions, which affect the food production and lead to the shortage of commodities in market. There are also many artificial factors involved in inflation, like sluggish performance of the agriculture sector, devaluation of currency, government policies, external debt, failure of industries, and COVID-19 has very significant impact on every country. Pakistan has abundance of natural resources, a cultivated land as a gift of Allah. But now, Pakistan has to import food items from other countries at high rate. The most important example is of the basic food item, गुलाम पर। फाकों से लोग खुदकुशी पर आमादा हो गए, फाकों से लोग खुदकुशी पर आमादा हो गए। महंगाई का बम गिरा है बेचारी अवाम पर। Dear audience, it is very difficult for a layman to lead a balanced life because due to high inflation, they are unable to manage their balanced life with smaller income. This unbalanced condition causes mental stress for the people, and unfortunately, some of the people commit suicide. Even they have smaller income, they have to pay taxes, which makes their life more difficult. They are compelled to manage their life by hook or by crook, even in offices. They take bribery, do corruption, robbery, which increases crime rate in every society. In Pakistan, inflation has squeezed the major part of the population. It needs to be controlled by strategic planning. Domestic production should be encouraged instead of imports. Investment should be given preference in consumer goods instead of luxuries. A strong monitoring system should be established. Inflation is an important part of economy. It needs to be regulated. It causes dreadful impact on the economy if it remains unregulated. At the end, it is humble request to the government to give prime attention to control the inflation rate so that everyone can enjoy happy life. In our society, we all have to fight with this situation. I would like to conclude my speech with these words of Iqbal. उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, हो जिसके जवानों की खुद ही सूरत फौलाद. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Dear parents, a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. They never stop trying.
Dear parents, a champion is someone who has faith, dedication, and doesn't let the obstacles stand in the way.
Time to invite our bright angels from pre-nursery red and blue.
For that, I request our worthy chairman, Sir Salim Yunus Chima, to please come on stage and facilitate our award winners. I also request our managing director, Muhammad Raza Chaudhry, to please come on stage.
I invite our noteworthy guests of honor, Sir Shakeen Ahmed Chima and Sir Muhammad Said Chima, Advocate. Please put your hands together for them. Aiza Tahir secured first position in pre-nursery red. Please cheer for Aiza Tahir.
हम किसी से कम नहीं, इसका हमको है यकीन, आँख उठा कर देख ले, किसी में इतना
Next, I invite Arfa Adil, who also secured second position. Please clap for Arfa Adil for first position.
I invite Muhammad Ahmed Naeem, who also got first position. Please cheer for Muhammad Ahmed Naeem.
पर उसका नाम तक बाकी नहीं है कलम की.
Dear audience, Arfa Adil is the daughter of our admin officer Sir Abdurrahman Adil.
भला दिखता है कोई वो जिस बचपन
Now I invite Muhammad Ahmed Naeem, who got first position. Please cheer for Muhammad Ahmed Naeem.
ख्वाब छीना था मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना है मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है मुझे
Now I
दुश्मन
invite
के
Hajra Amir, who secured second position. Please clap for Hajra Amir.
उससे बदला लेने जाना है मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को
Now I invite Muhammad Musa Atiq, who also got second position. Please clap for Muhammad Musa Atiq.
Huda, who also secured second position. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Nurul Huda.
किताबें देख के रोती रही माँ, है किसकी वापसी की राह तक।
Now I invite Samantha Zishan, who got third position. Please cheer for her.
वो जो सारी ही नजरों से गिरा था, न था इंसान ना जिसका हुआ था। मुझे माँ
Now I invite Husna Amir, who secured third position. Please clap for Husna Amir.
के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना है।
Now I invite Muhammad Hashir, who also got third position. Please cheer for Muhammad Hashir.
दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है।
Now I invite Abdul Hanan Mudassar for Consolation Award. Please clap for Abdul Hanan Mudassar.
डर के सामने हंसता गया है, जो अपना छोड़कर बसता गया है।
Now from pre-nursery red, Abdul Hadi got first position. Please clap for Abdul Hadi.
किताबों में निशानी रख गया वो, यूं माथा चूमने वाला लहू था, वो जिसने
Now I invite Muhammad Ayan Jamshed, who also secured first position. Please clap for Muhammad Ayan Jamshed.
खाना है, मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना
Now I invite Muhammad Sarim for first position. Please clap for Muhammad Sarim.
है। मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है।
Now I invite Harim for first position. Please clap for Harim.
जिस बचपन में थोड़ा और जीना था, वो जिसने माँ तुम्हारा ख्वाब छीना था, मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना।
Now I invite Haji Muhammad Mubarak Ali for second position. Please clap for Haji Muhammad Mubarak Ali.
मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना।
Now I invite Muhammad Abdul Hadi, who also secured second position. Please clap for Muhammad Abdul Hadi.
मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मैं किसको सोच के सोती नहीं माँ, किताबें देख के रोती रही माँ।
Now I invite Rohan Shabir, who secured second position. Please clap for Rohan Shabir.
ये दरवाजा खुला बाबा क्यों रख दे, वो जो सारी ही नजरों से गिरा था, न था इंसान ना जिसका हुआ था।
Now I invite Ahmed Ghani, who secured third position. Please clap for Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ghani.
मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना।
Now I invite Muhammad Ans, who got third position. Please clap for Muhammad Ans.
मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है।
Now I invite Muhammad Rohan for third position. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for Muhammad Rohan.
जो डर के
invite Muhammad Ibrahim for Consolation Award. Please clap for Muhammad Ibrahim.
वो माथा चूमने वाला लहू था, वो जिसने ख्वाब का भी खून किया था। मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना है, मुझे
Now Muhammad Ayan Ramzan, who also got Consolation Award. Please clap for Muhammad Ayan Ramzan.
जिस बचपन में थोड़ा और जीना था, वो जिसने माँ तुम्हारा ख्वाब छीना था। मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना है, मुझे
Thank you, sir, for your assistance.
बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है। मुझे माँ उससे बदला लेने जाना है, मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, मुझे दुश्मन के बच्चों को पढ़ाना है।
Dear audience, let's take a short break from awards. Dear parents, small cheers and great welcome makes merry feast.
Look around you. An amiable welcome, full of friendship, is yours.
Now it's time to alter your impression and make the atmosphere more charming and beautiful.
So, I invite students from main campus for a marvelous Mickey Mouse performance. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Dear audience, succeeding in life is simple. Just what we need to do is to pay attention, work hard, and give it our best shot. Now we will be giving away the awards to our extraordinary students from Montessori Senior, Red and Blue.
For that, I request our worthy and distinguished Chief Guest, Brigadier Dr. Adnan Salim, to come on stage and facilitate our award winners.
I also invite our worthy chairman, Sir Salim Yunus Chima, and our admirable managing director, Sir Raza, to please come on stage. From Senior Red, Ubaidullah got first position. Please clap for Ubaidullah. Muhammad Ali Kamar, who also got first position. Please cheer him up with a huge round of applause.
Next, I invite Muhammad Mohit Shehram, who also secured first position. Please clap for Muhammad Mohit Shehram.
Awais Kareem, who got second position. Please clap for Awais Kareem.
Now I invite Mohit Usman, who also secured second position. Please clap for Mohit Usman.
Now I invite Muhammad Ibrahim Adil, who got second position. Please clap for Muhammad Ibrahim Adil.
Now I invite Muhammad Abdullah Shahid, who secured third position. Please clap for Muhammad Abdullah Shahid.
Now I invite Muhammad Saad Hassan, who also got third position. Please clap for Muhammad Saad Hassan.
Now I invite Muhammad Musa, who will be receiving consolation award. Please clap for Muhammad Musa.
Now from Senior Blue, I invite Muhammad Ibrahim Said, who secured first position. Please clap for Muhammad Ibrahim Said.
Now I invite Muhammad Abdullah Ali, who will be receiving first position award. Please clap for Muhammad Abdullah Ali.
Now I invite Abdul Hadi Asif, who got second position. Please clap for Abdul Hadi Asif.
Now I invite Muhammad Salar, who secured second position. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together for Muhammad Salar.
Now I invite Muhammad Saim Irfan, who got third position. Please clap for Muhammad Saim Irfan.
Now for consolation award, I invite Abdul Hannan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Abdul Hannan. Thank you so much, sir, for your assistance. Now please pose for a group photo.